Hey everyone, so this is just a small March update. I want to let you know what I've been doing and what we will be doing this month. So first I want to say thank you to all my Patreons. It's actually pretty cool to see that you enjoy the YouTube content and you support me on Patreon. Also, there's a bunch of stuff that will be coming to Patreon very soon. What I've done already, I'm giving away some of the textures every month to every tier on my Patreon. So if you not supporting me on Patreon, you might want to consider it if you would like to see, keep seeing those videos coming on YouTube, and if you'd like to have some sort of textures be given to you for free every month. Okay, so let's see what we will be doing this month on Patreon. So let me run the project. So as you can see, I've got this crack texture here. So let me animate it. So there you go. Imagine you cast a spell, the spell hits the ground, and you want to see some sort of decal or interaction with the ground. So we'll basically be creating this material and maybe blueprint animation as well. Okay, there's a little bit more, magic into this material. There's some erosions and a bunch of other stuff as well. So I hope that you're gonna learn a lot of stuff about the material, so you can see how you can use them with the simple textures and basically learn a lot more about the materials. Okay, so that's coming in March, probably in 2 weeks time, to my patrons, tier 2 and tier 3, I think. Okay, I've been also making this character, so I managed to make it animate and move correctly now. As you can see, I kind of implemented the firing animation to it as well, although it doesn't have any effects yet. But I'm just playing with the Unreal Engine and having fun with the character. So hopefully in the future I'm gonna create some sort of enemies, and who knows, maybe I'll turn that into some sort of fighting arena, small project. As you can see as well, I've been playing around a lot actually with the trails and ribbons in Unreal Engine, and just trying to turn that into a tutorial for my patrons, but it's very rough at the moment, so I just need to keep exploring it and think how I can turn that into a tutorial, because the material for it is a little bit messy now. I've been playing with the idea of fire as well, with the ribbons, using ribbons for the smoke. So I think this turns to be a very stylized fire and smoke, but I think it looks pretty cool. Okay, so now let me show you the cracks textures that we'll be doing this month. Okay, so let me drop the decal on the ground. So this is the first one. We'll be making that one as well. And finally, something like this. I'll try to make those all three to fit into this month, but see how it goes, because the graph sometimes is very complicated in Substance. But hopefully you'll find it useful, and we're gonna give you a bit more knowledge how to do stuff in Substance. Okay. All right. So thanks for watching, and I'm about to go and create the first Substance for you, which will be this texture. Okay, so we'll be looking into this one first, see how it goes. Maybe I'll split it into 2 parts or 1. It depends how the complicated graph's gonna get in Substance. So yeah, I hope you're gonna enjoy that one. Okay, thanks.